Hello modelers, Mark here. Taking a look at the Walthers 4 Modern Loading Racks in HO scale. I just used 2 of the 4 for my little spur here. I've got a small switching layout here. You can put the pipe either as a loading pipe at the top, or you can put the pipe at the bottom here as a sort of unloading pipe. I put my kit together with the truck served fuel distributor kit to make it kind of a truck and rail fuel distributor. So a pretty easy kit to make. Just make sure you watch the direction of the steps on the stairs. I put these handrails on backwards on this one. Just didn't look closely enough at the direction of the steps. Anyway, that's the Walthers 4 Modern Loading Racks. Thanks for watching.